Have you ever thought about creating a faceless YouTube channel? Picture this, a platform where you can share your passion, your creativity, without the spotlight on you. Instead, it's all about your content. A faceless channel offers the freedom to focus on what truly matters, your message. It's a wonderful way to maintain your privacy while still making an impact. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we dive into the process of creating your own faceless YouTube channel. The first step in creating a faceless YouTube channel is deciding on your content. It's critical to choose a niche that not only interests you but also sparks your passion. Why, you ask? Well, when you love what you do, it comes across in your work and keeps you motivated. Now you may be wondering, what kind of content works well for faceless channels? There are numerous options to explore. Animation, for instance, can be incredibly engaging and allows for boundless creativity. Tutorials are another fantastic choice, especially if you're an expert in a particular field and want to share your knowledge. Commentary channels are also popular, providing insights and opinions on a wide range of topics. And let's not forget about gaming, a sector that continues to thrive year after year. Remember, content is king. So, select your niche wisely. Your choice will serve as the foundation for your channel, shaping its identity and appeal to the audience. Once you've selected your niche, the next step is to create engaging scripts. Remember, scripts aren't just a set of lines you need to deliver, they're the backbone of your content, the invisible thread that weaves your story together. Think of your script as a roadmap guiding your audience through your content. It needs to be captivating, concise, and coherent. Whether you're creating a tutorial, a review, or a commentary, your script should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start with a hook to grab your audience's attention. Then, delve into the meat of your content, ensuring it's packed full of value. Keep your audience engaged with questions, anecdotes, and a dash of humor. Finally, wrap up with a powerful conclusion that leaves a lasting impression. Remember, your script should always serve your audience's needs. It's not about what you want to say, it's about what they want to hear. With a compelling script, you're halfway to creating engaging content for your faceless YouTube channel. Now it's time to bring your scripts to life through production and editing. When it comes to production, the choice of tools and software can vary widely depending on your specific needs. For beginners, free tools like Audacity for sound editing and DaVinci Resolve for video editing can be a great place to start. As you grow and your needs evolve, you may want to invest in more advanced tools such as Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing or Avid Pro Tools for sound design. Regardless of the tools you use, there are a few key principles to keep in mind. First, focus on achieving high audio quality. In a faceless video, your audio is the star of the show. Ensure your voiceovers are clear and easy to understand. Consider investing in a good microphone and learning some basic audio editing techniques to remove background noise and improve sound quality. Next, let's talk about sound design. This involves choosing and editing the sounds that will accompany your video. This could be anything from background music to sound effects. Remember, the goal is to enhance your content, not distract from it. So choose sounds that complement your script and support your overall message. Finally, when it comes to video editing, keep it simple. Use transitions and effects sparingly. The focus should be on your content, not flashy editing tricks. Remember, your content's quality can make or break your faceless YouTube channel. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We started by emphasizing the importance of choosing the right content. Remember, your channel's success heavily relies on the relevance and appeal of your content. It's all about identifying your niche and delivering consistently. Next, we discussed the art of creating engaging scripts. Your script is the backbone of your content. It's what keeps your viewers hooked, so make sure it's compelling, clear, and conversational. Also, don't forget to infuse some of your personality into it. We then moved on to the nitty-gritty of production and editing. High-quality audio and smooth transitions can make a world of difference in a faceless YouTube channel. So, invest time in learning the ropes of good production and editing techniques. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a successful, faceless YouTube channel. Good luck!